What's up, guys? Today we'll talk about auto trading gold. So here is, as you can see, connection to real server legomarkets broker, and here is list of accounts what is connected to auto copy of this auto trade gold robot. So let me log into all these accounts and show you that everything is real and working good. So here is account history. Let me scroll it. So here you can see last deal. So today is April 7th, and you can see last deal yesterday. In just one day made 1000 bucks. And moreover, if you check trades, so it was open this time and closed in just 4 seconds. So in 4 seconds it bring so much profit. And here you can see other deals. So there is also one negative deal, as you can see. But same day there was another order and it compensates losses. So as you can see, this strategy is super profitable and it brings great income. Let me show you. So all history, save as detailed report. Okay, let's save it. And let's scroll down. Here you can see maximum drawdown, so less than 3%, huge profit factor, and lots of parameters. So as you can see, total profit made. So it's a really profitable strategy, guys. Okay, let me show you other accounts so you can check how big profit is when trading on small amount of account. For example, this one. So profit in one day. Yes. So commissions. You can get broker's rebate commission as well back to your account and transfer it or cash out as you wish. So here is how it works, like, guys. So as you can see, many accounts connected, and there will be also other accounts connected. And all these accounts simply copy this trading strategy. So as you can see, let's deal, yes. So all these accounts copy. So there is one big account, and there is robot trading, and all these accounts just auto copy this account. But as you can see, every account got different amount, and this why we use money management. So if, for example, if you invest only 1000, then maximum lot what will be open on your account is 01. So like this. If you have if you will have 10,000, so probably you will start trading 10 times more slot. So like this. Okay, guys, so as you can see, all these accounts real, and results are also good. All accounts are in profit. Let me show you also this one. Here is all history, same deposit, withdrawal, profit. So as you can see, everything is in profit. So I think this introduction video will be motivation for you to start watching on how to start copying this trading robot.